For this work on writing activity, this is Fix It Up Sentences. For this activity, you're going to use your Good Writer checks to fix the sentences on each page. So on the front side, number 1 says, in art class, we are painting our flower pots. So you're going to do your checks. Does it have capital letters at the beginning of a sentence? Does it have the correct end mark at the end of a sentence? Does it use finger spaces? And does it use lowercase letters? But in addition to those, you need to also look and see, did they spell words correctly? So for example, at the beginning of this sentence it says in, but the word in is spelled I-N, and they spelled it E-N. So now I'm going to come down here on the line and I'm going to write in correctly with a capital I. I-N, and then I'm going to look at art. Do I need to fix anything? If so, write it correctly on the line. If not, you copy it exactly how it is. Continue with the rest of the words. Then you're going to go down to number 2. John's computer project is all about his turtles. So check, capital letter, finger spaces, end marks. Is that the correct end mark? And is there lowercase letters? Then again, check and see, did they spell everything correctly? Again, John's computer project is all about his turtles. If you need to push pause while you write this sentence, then do that now. Number 3, today is kickball day in gym class. I get to play for the yellow team. Do your Good Writer checks and then check the spelling to see if it's written the right way. If your teacher would like you to, down at the bottom it says my partner read my sentences. But if your teacher doesn't want you to do that, don't worry about that. Just put an X. But everybody needs to reread your sentences that you wrote correctly to make sure that you didn't miss any little mistakes. Once you do that, flip the page over and you're going to do the same things. Number 1, Olivia just checked out a Magic Treehouse book from the library. Do your Good Writer checks and then you're going to rewrite the sentence down on the line. Number 2, do you want to eat lunch with Justin and me? Do your Good Writer checks and see, did they do everything they needed to? Did they spell it correctly? And then rewrite the whole sentence down here on the lines correctly. And number 3, our teacher is helping us learn our math facts. Again, do your checks, see did they spell it all correctly, and then rewrite the whole sentence on the line. After you have done that, go back up and you're going to reread everything that you wrote to see, did I forget to do a capital letter? Did I not spell that correctly? And then put a check mark. Again, if your teacher told you not to worry about the partner sentences, reading them, then put an X. Don't worry about that.